This is a great customer's pool deck here from start to finish. We've come in, excavated, formed up, and now you're here with us doing the finishing, pouring and finishing process here. Boys are working hard here in the background here, getting it all edged, vibrated and floated. Give this nice stamped finish to this beautiful pool deck here. So I'm sure the customer is really excited to see the finished product, and so are we, as it's been an ongoing for a couple weeks now here with Rin Tools doing the pool for them. So now we're putting the cherry on the cake. If anybody's looking for any concrete work, feel free to reach us out on the web, greatlakesconcrete.ca, or give me a call, 519-895-6425. For a couple spots available for the 2024 season, but we are also booking for the 2025 season. We got 3 large crews, 19 people, and we can tackle any job right from excavation right up to the pouring, finishing process. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.
It was an easy decision deciding to use Great Lakes Concrete. This is a really big investment for us. It's our first pool, and we wanted to go with a company that has experience in pouring pool decks. And after talking to Nick, it was really clear he has a ton of experience and several teams with the experience that we wanted. And Nick was available to answer our questions day and night. We called him several times, and he certainly alleviated all of our concerns, and we were excited to go with Great Lakes. We chose Great Lakes Concrete because it was evident there's a ton of experience behind this company, and Nick has been fantastic to work with.